What is up, guys? RC Jeffy with another video. So today we're gonna be installing electricity wire in the garage. The reason we're doing that is because we're gonna put a new compressor. I think it's like a 60-gallon one. And yeah, hope you enjoy this video. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Nice.
The último eso no.
We got our shit, huh, Marcos?
Yeah, we do. We got our shit. Idiot.
Well, measuring tape.
Todo cargo, todos lados los cargos.
On the cut. See all the goodies. Nice. We got our flange in today. So pretty much this flange will go like this. You cut the hole in the middle here, and then you weld this, and then you're ready to go. El cut. Pinche cut con el alambre. Su madre. We're about to put the fucking wire through the wall. Dámele. Take that shit, Coral.
It's time for you guys to go.
Damn. It's fucked up. Success.
Okay, algo material también.
I don't think it looks bad.
You could. Alright guys, so we're gonna go get our mass airflow sensor flange welded onto the pipe. We're about to go get the fucking the flange welded onto the pipe. So yeah, let's see if we can get it down.
Yes, sir.
We just pulled up, cut. Oh, that fool has a Honda right there. Damn, see where I could park.
Que andamos con el kit.
You need a...
I have the tools.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Nice cut.
Okay.
Look right here. It's almost like Jill's, huh? But this is, I think, a GMC. Chingón, I cut.
Please cut.
Cut, cut.
Jeez, they do tubs too. Good. Actually, it's clean. Appreciate it. Best for you. fast as fuck. It's clean.
Yeah, nigga.
What's your Instagram, bro?
Backerville Designs.
Cool.
Yeah, and then our shop is Dynamic Exhaust.
Jan Road and Simmons.
And Road and Simmons.
Cool. Sheesh, cut. Food got it done hella fast too.
Yeah, yeah.
Took more like 20 minutes.
Yeah, some more prep work than actual welding.
Yeah.
You got done with like not even 5 minutes.
Sheesh. We're right here about to pump gas on the Mamalona. Let's check it out. Damn, $3.04, homie. Cool. A lot of you guys are wondering why are you putting diesel on a fucking gas truck. It's not a gas truck, it's a 3.0. So it's a diesel. See how long it takes us. Let's see how much it charges us. It's getting there, my boys. And that's it, guys. Nice and full. $73.46 later. And we're ready to go.
I better cut the pipe. Check out those welds cut. Dude, what do you think, cut?
Clean.
Chaka, huh? That's what got down.
On the down, you gotta paint that shit. She's cooked the baby turbo. Pretty fat, huh?
Hell
Alright, my boys. So we dropped off the pump and the fuel pump, the stock one with Zippy. So we'll see if we can make it work since it's brand new. This shit is complicated. I said maybe, but we'll see what's up. So yeah, guys.
Get some grub on. You know, fucking vibes.
Ah, we could. Wanna get some motherfucking tacos. We got the mercancía. A la verga, chocolate.
What burritos a la verga, cut?
And that bitch got mad, bro. And I got her on video, dog. Damn. If you would've fucking got crashed, bro, would've had a whole ass fucking
4 burritos a la verga.
nigga. If you got crashed, bro, we had a whole ass fucking suitcase right now.
Nigga, that's a whole check right there, nigga.
Cause we got that shit on video.
Oh, mama.
You would've gone flying, dog. We fat. He likes chile.
Que coma chile el güey.
Le gusta el chile coral.
No, pues no maricón.
Oh no. We bought a weld this mass airflow sensor plug. We had to cut that shit to make it more long. Alright guys, so we just got done soldering the wires for it could be longer. Right there, you guys can see that. I don't know what it shows, but I'm gonna put some electric tape around it, and then I'll show you how the other end looks. And this is the other end. And then this, I gotta find how to cover that. So yeah, we're getting there, guys. So yeah.